To enter a promo code on Lululemon, start by visiting the Lululemon website and browsing through their collection of products. Once you have found the items you want to purchase, add them to your shopping bag by clicking the Add to Bag button. When you are ready to check out, click on the Checkout button. You will be directed to a page where you can review your order and enter any discount codes you may have. Look for the promo code field, which is usually labeled as gift card or promo code. Click on the field and type in your promo code. Make sure to enter the code exactly as it appears, as promo codes are case sensitive. If you are unsure about the code, you can always check your email or the source where you received the code to confirm. After entering the promo code, click the Apply button. If the code is valid, you will see the discount applied to your order. Review your order to ensure the discount has been applied correctly. If you are having trouble with your promo code, make sure it has not expired and that it is valid for the items in your shopping bag. Some promo codes may only be valid for specific products or categories, so be sure to check the terms and conditions of the code. Once you have successfully applied your promo code, you can proceed to complete your purchase by entering your payment and shipping information. Make sure to review your order carefully before submitting your payment to ensure everything is correct. By following these steps, you can easily enter a promo code on Lululemon and enjoy discounts on your favorite products. Always make sure to check the terms and conditions of the promo code to ensure you are using it correctly and to get the most out of your purchase.